Hello students, we are discussing hydrides of group 15. Group 15 contain nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Nitrogen forms special hydride that is HN3 जिसको हम हाइड्रोजोइक एसिड और हाइड्रोजन एजाइड भी बोलते हैं. These hydrides are mostly covalent in nature. They have pyramidal structure. Hybridization sp3 रहती है and having lone pair और इसी lone pair की वजह से they have basic character. Now what are the trends in hydrides? Bond angle जो है NH3 ammonia greater than phosphine, greater than arsenic hydride, greater than antimony hydride, because we know when we move down the group bond angle decreases. Now basic character NH3 is more basic than PH3, which is more basic than ASH3. As you move down the group, size increases and the electron density decreases. The boiling point of NH3 is more than PH3, which is less than ASH and SB. Now why there is anomalous behavior? NH3 का ज्यादा क्यों होता है? Because it shows hydrogen bonding. Now let's discuss the stability. NH3, the hydride of nitrogen, stability of this is greater than pH3, greater than ASH3 and greater than SbH3, because we know as the size increases, stability depends upon the bond strength. As the size increases, bond strength decreases and the stability decreases. Now reducing character. Reducing character NH3 less than pH3 less than ASH3, because we know more is the bond strength, lesser will be the reducing character. And if we discuss solubility, ammonia is more soluble due to the formation of hydrogen bond and the solubility decreases down the group. इस तरह के और इम्पॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट्स और वीडियोस के लिए आप मुझे फॉलो करिए.